Hello friends, good morning. I wish all my friends a very happy Independence Day, 75th Independence Day. I congratulate all of you and wish you good luck in the share market. Friends, today we are going to talk on Q1 results, that is from April 21 to June 21. Friends, I must say that there are about 80 sectors in the share market, but different sectors are important at different times. So I have taken those sectors which are in vogue today or which are important at the present times, right? So let us go ahead and check which are those stocks which have performed very well in the first quarter of 21-22. So we start with Infosys, the all-weather stock has been given phenomenal results and also making a lot of money for the traders in the share market. The next Herculean stock is HCL Tech. Friends, this stock actually must be in your portfolio for the purpose of trading. Both these stocks, Infosys and HCL, has been giving making good money for the traders. But not to forget the Happiest Mind, it is coming from the back. Recently listed, results quarter after quarter are excellent. So friends, I must say that you must have some amount of money put into the Happiest Mind. I think at present it is trading somewhere around 1300 and the face value is 10 rupees. So it is an excellent buy. KPI Tech, friends, it's a small ticket size stock, has been performing for the last 3 quarters very well. So those of you who want to have the stock ranged in between 300-350 can always play with KPIT Tech. But friends, one thing is definitely there, as I have been telling in my previous videos also, that till the buy signal comes, you need not buy, and till the sell signal comes, you have to be in the trade. So buying and selling signals are very clear in the charting.com. You can always refer to that. Afale India, well, superb stock. From nowhere this stock has gone to roughly about 4,500 rupees. Even it went up and corrected some time back. Nevertheless, this time also the results of Afale India were superb. Let's come to the broking sector now. Broking sector has been doing good performances for the last 2 quarters, and the leader is Angel Broking, then is CDSL. Sorry, it has got no competition in the market as such. Then is the BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. This also has no competition in the market. Friends, the results are likely to be on 24th of August. Therefore, if the signals come, I hope that you must really buy before the results. BSE, you can make about 15 to 20% very easily. Brewery sector has been doing very well for the last about 1.5 years, and United Breweries Limited has given outstanding results. But still better results are being given by Global Spirits. I say this is the most volatile stocks. This stock has given a lot of money to the traders in the last 1 year. It continues to be in the high spirits. Friends, do look into it for buying and selling. Then is Jubilant Ingrevia. Well, Jubilant Group is another group which has been doing showing great working in the share market for the last couple of quarters. Jubilant Ingrevia is basically into the fertilizers, doing very well. Please keep the stocks. Well, this also is a real firing stock. Followed by Coromandel International. For the last 4 quarters, it is giving results. Every time it is improving over the past performance, and government supports the fertilizer stocks. So please look into Jubilant and Coromandel. Friends, one thing, there is Deepak Fertilizer also has done very well this time. You can have a look at that also. Banking sector, friends, I'll say that my preference goes only for ICICI Bank at present, because the results have already come and this bank has given a superlative performance. Bajaj Finance, that is non-banking finance companies, friends, this is one stock, whether the results are good or bad, the stock continues to go up. Nowadays it has I think about 6,000 plus the stock is, but this always gives money. Invest little but be in the stock, it gives money every time. Pharma sector is not doing very well. Entire pharma sector, I will say, is not doing very well, but Ajanta Pharma keeps doing it for the last about 10 quarters, producing outstanding results. You can consider buying it. Very stable stocks and no problem with US FGA. Then friends, the chemical sector. Well friend, I must say that 50% of your investment must be in the chemical sector. And the stocks which I am going to tell you is, you must buy actually the entire sector as such. I have all the stocks of the these shares which I am going to talk to you right now, and Hikal is the leading, because for the last 3 quarters it is giving superb results, performance. The net profit margin is high, revenues are high, and EBITDA margin are also high. What else do you need? Davies Lab, I think it is the best in the industry as far as the chemical sector is concerned, the most promising one, followed by Laurus Labs. Friends, do consider it, because see, even after the face value has decreased, the stocks from in last 6 months time has doubled almost. What else do you want? 100% in last 6 months time. It was just about 310, 15 about 4-5 months back. Now it is 600 plus. Not to forget another leader in the chemical sector, that is Deepak Nitrite. This quarter it has given excellent results. Balaji Amines, another chemical stock, excellent results for several quarters now. Actually it is something, like a leader in the chemical sector. It has become Deepak Nitrite, Balaji Amines, your followed by Davies Lab, Laurus Lab. They are all leaders in the chemical sector. Chemical sector is in vogue. It is the hot flavor in the share market, and you must have, I think all the traders must have a chemical sector in their portfolio. Friends, I have all these stocks with me. Gas sector unfortunately is not doing too well. For the reason is this Gujarat Gas, all the results on the face of it appears to be very good. But the brokers were not very bullish on Gujarat Gas, so you have to be a little careful while dealing with the stock. Nevertheless, Gujarat Gas is a promising option, followed by Adani Total Gas Limited. This also stock is has done well, there is no doubt about it, but the Adani group as such was in a bad news. Although the SEBI has said everything is fine with them, there is no issues, but still the stock, you have to take it with a little pinch of salt. Nevertheless, stock did well. Then is the sector that is FMCG, and in general I am saying Havells, friends, for the last 2 quarters it has done excellent performance, 2 quarters or 3 quarters definitely. So you can have a look at this. Friends, all said and done, whatever I am telling you today, I say these stocks are good, performance is good, but one thing is there, that good stock purchased at the bad price is not a good option. Good stock purchased at the proper price gives you money. So just be a little careful with this. Then Jubilant, another Jubilant group stock, that is Jubilant Industry. Please, this results were just, I must say, stupendous results, just fantastic. It is just about 300, between 350 and 400. Friends, you must have the stock in your portfolio. That is my opinion. But nevertheless, you have to go along with the moving averages of 5 and 10. And friends, in this, with this, Jubilant, I will also add that Philips Carbon, In my last video also I had told about Philips Carbon, that it was 271 that time. Now it has come down to about 250. Nevertheless, the stock is a low beta stock, that is one thing, but the performance wise it was super. About auto sector, friends, I am little skeptical. Only thing is that in auto ancillary there is one stock, that is LG Balkrishna Industries. We call it LGBB. If you want to have, you can have LGBB. There will not be any issue. But buying Maruti or Bajaj Gas and these kind of things, friends, at present I think the sector as such is quite weak. So you have to take your own decision or ask your financial advisor on all the stocks which I have discussed so far before any buying or selling. So thank you very much, friends. Namaste, and don't forget to please subscribe and comment what do you want in the next video. I am very eager to give you, and thank you very much. Have a nice day.